Okay, so it says insert seven arithmetic means between 4 and 10. So let me write down what it means first. And so, for example, there's 7. So let me write this over here. So A1 is 4. Then let me write these down. A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A7, A8, A9. Whoops, doesn't look right, does it? I get my eraser. No, you don't need to write that down, but I just want to emphasize it's asking for something. It's a geometric progression starting at 4, ending at 10, with 7 terms in between. All right, so certainly there's many ways of doing it, but I'm going to do it from what I know. And, I know a formula for AN. And again, the formula for AN, to remind you, AN equals A1 plus N minus 1 D. So let's write this down. So I know A9 now. A9 is 10. I know A1. A1 is 4 plus, well, that would be 8D then, right? Because N minus 1, if N is 9, 9 minus 1 is 8, 8D, which is not bad. I'm getting 6 equals 8D. And then what do you get? Let's see. You would get 6/8 equals D, and that's equal to 3/4. So, the bottom line is you have to add 3/4 to every single term. So I'm going to write this down in terms of quarters now. So it's going to be, this would be 16/4, right? Whoops. 19/4. We're just going to count up, counting up by 3. 22/4, I'm not going to reduce. 25/4. 28/4. 31/4, I'm just adding 3. 34/4. 37/4. If you were to add another 3/4 on, you get 40/4, which is 10. All right? So to insert them means to list these guys over here. Go to the next page. I want to point out the work is done over here. And certainly want to write the numbers down. This is 4. That's 10. And again, to go through that with you, 19/4. The next number I had was 22/4, which is 11/4. I just want to make sure you understand what I'm doing over here. I'm just checking. 25/4. Let's go to the next one. I know it's a lot of scrolling. 28/4 is 7. That's right here. 31/4, 34/4. Let's do that. 34/4 is 17/2. And last but not least, you got 37/4, and then you got 10. So things are working out okay. Thank you.